beauties, so welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today we're going to be doing a little quick Sephora haul. I know lately it's been a lot of beauty related content. I'm so sorry about that. I've been so busy lately. Most of the content that I've been doing lately has been, you know, something easy, something fun, something that I enjoy doing. So that's mostly why too. But I'm hoping I can get in the swing of it and make some more of different content. But I've been wanting to do a haul, and as you guys know, it's my birthday month. Well, maybe you don't know, I don't know, but and I am a Sephora beauty insider, I guess you would say. You know, the thing you sign up for anyways. So, you know, you get a birthday thing, and then I use my points that I had to get a product. So here we are, and I'm going to show you what I got because it's fun. Why not? Maybe a quick video. So here we are. There will be a vlog today. Hope you guys really enjoyed that fashion vlog that I did last week. I really did enjoy doing that winter essential fashion outfit ideals. It was really fun to do. I really enjoyed it. Cause like lately I haven't really done too much fashion, because I haven't even done a fashion IGTV video since, gosh, I think it was December, maybe December-ish, maybe November, maybe longer. I've been so busy, like I can't find time to do it. So I'm trying to do it sometime this week, if not maybe tomorrow. So today and yesterday was busy. Obviously it's my son's birthday, so we're celebrating, having fun, and trying to lift up spirits. As of today is the 1-year anniversary of my grandpa passing, so we're trying to be positive today and celebrate, and not worry about everything else. So I'm gonna have fun today and show you what I got. And I can't wait to show you what I got, to be honest. Some of these items I've been dying to get, but I haven't gotten. Just because A, they were expensive, and B, I just don't know, I'm just weird. I don't know, it's not what I think. Okay, anyways, so I like things that are free. Anyways, first and foremost, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, check out the latest video and check out the eye file also down up there, as always. And there will be a new blog today. I'm not too sure what I'm doing yet, but I might do a fashion related because there hasn't been too much fashion content lately. We'll see. I don't know yet what I want to do, but like I said, I really want to do a new fashion IGTV video, and actually I really wanted to do a fashion IGTV video on here where I like do a couple of outfits if I can, where I show you some outfits, and then, you know what I mean, public one. So I think that would be kind of fun to do. It's just like finding time to do that will be difficult. So stay tuned. I really do plan on making more content, different content, and next week. It's just like, it's been really crazy the last couple weeks. My schedule has gone all over the place lately, between like me starting a job, between like busy running errands, doing something almost top of lines. So like trying to, you know, like it's just like making time. So I really did make time for those the video last week. So last week I was able to make it really good, and I was really proud of that one, to be honest. And hope you guys enjoyed that one. But anyways, first and foremost, let's get on into it, shall we? Because I'm sure you're probably tired of me talking, but I feel bad because like I love fashion, the fashion on TV video series. I feel like this has been the longest it's not had one. Usually I do it every so monthly. I try to. It's just like it's like I said, it's been busy. I should have done one today while I was at the mall, but like I said, we're just there, and I just got this. So maybe tomorrow I'll have time. I don't think I have plans tomorrow, so we shall see. But anyways, let's get on into it, shall we? First and foremost, my #1 product that I got, which was the birthday gift, and this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I can't remember. I think I remember talking about this, guys, to you guys, because I've been dying to try this. I've seen it so many times, whether it be in like a FabFitFun box, a box in general. I always see it or hear people talk about it, and I'm like, dang, I really want to try it, but like the big ones are so expensive. There's like $20 each. So I'm very excited that I'm able to try these. Let's see if I can read it. Okay. This is fast absorbing body cream. It helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. So let's give it a whip, shall we? Ooh. Oh, it smells good. It kind of smells like, geez, I can't put my finger on it. I'll see if I can see. Oh, it smells really good though. It doesn't really say. But it smells good though. Kind of smells like vanilla-y, maybe. Maybe that's what I'm thinking. Alright, let's try it. I got freaking sparkles all over me right now. Okay. At least we can try this. The other stuff is face. I do love how it smells. It smells really good. And it feels good on your skin. I love that. It feels really smooth. Okay. Alright. So that's this one. And then the next one we have is, I just want to make sure it's still recording because I know how this camera can be. So anyways, the next and first and foremost is, I keep saying that anyways. The Coco Cabana, I cannot pronounce that, but this guy right here. Focus, please, Mr. Camera. Okay. And it's an instant rush of hydration for visually luxurious skin and lasting moisturizer. I love that because my skin is always so dry, and I always have tons of moisturizers, different skin stuff, you name it. Literally have so many things. I get different things for dry skin to help. It's just, you know, that's just how it is. Okay, let's see if this smells the same or if it's different. Ooh, I love this one. It smells good. I wish I said the scent. I don't know. Maybe you guys know. I don't know. I can't see. It's a 72-hour moisture magnet oil and water cream though. Oh, maybe it's cocoa. I didn't think about that. That smells like cocoa. Not like hot cocoa, but you get what I mean. I was gonna say coconut, but I don't think that's what I'm thinking. I'm trying to rub it in. Yeah, that smells really good. It feels good on the skin. It's going on real good in my skin area. It feels good though. I love how it feels. I really am happy to have some more skin stuff, because especially when it comes to moisturizer or anything in that type of nature, body creams, I'm a tickle for. Okay, here's the next one, you guys. I'm so excited for this one because you guys know I've been a Tatcha fan. Have not yet got anything of their products. This is the first one. I've been dying to try this. It's the deep cleanse in the water cream. The next one I like to try is what is it called? The powder, one of the powder things. I can't remember what it's called, but the face stuff. But anyways, I'm not thinking. I think I'm still tired. But anyways, yesterday I took a nap. See, I got home. I mean, usually I get off at like, well, here lately it's like a training space right now, so I'm getting off kind of like, you know, decent hours. So, but I did, it was a long day yesterday, so I had to pick up his cake. We did celebration. We did, all that type of stuff. And then, it's just, I was wiped out yesterday. I took a nap, didn't wake up until 7. But anyways, here is the Tatcha. The deep cleanse is clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to dry skin, and hopefully this does not irritate my skin because I have sensitive skin. I'm very nervous. I heard that it's good on sensitive skin though, so I'm very excited to give it a try. Hope you guys can see it. Stay in camera, can't have focusing issues sometimes. Okay, anyways, see how it smells. It smells okay. Like I said, I'm really nervous. Hopefully it doesn't like, cause like things broke me out. Broken out before from a face mask that had coconut in it, and it's just like everything's just so sensitive to me. Okay, This one is a Pore-Perfecting, a Japanese wild rose for normal to oily skin. Another one I'll have to be really iffy about because the scent wise, because sensitive skin. It does smell really good. Because there's another one I have right now that has the rose scent in it, wild rose. And like the scent wise is just so strong. Anyways, still water cream. I just want to try some of it. I want to try 2 minutes of it. Ooh. I love how that feels. It smells pretty good. So it doesn't feel as strong as that other one that I have that has the rose that I'm talking about. Okay, anyways, that is all I have, guys, today for this video. I know it's probably quick, short, and all that type of stuff, but it is something different. It's a quick haul. I'm hoping that I have some more stuff maybe for my birthday that I'll be getting. I do plan on getting a haircut. It's gonna be on my list for sure. We shall see. But I love trying getting new things that I don't have to pay for. So it's nice. Even if it's just a sandwich, I like everything. So okay. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these products, because I like to know if you tried this. If you have sensitive skin, if it's worked for you, let me know down below. If it hasn't, let me know too. But anyways, I will link these in the description below if you would like to try them. I am not sponsored or paid by Sephora. I wish. But go give it a try, I guess, or buy. So I would recommend definitely signing up for Beauty Insider if you haven't yet, because like, especially if it's your birthday, you get stuff free, and if you keep purchasing things, you can get stuff like this. So other stuff they had too, but this is the one I really wanted. So because I already tried like the hair stuff, and that was on the list too, but I had this, and they had some perfumes. They had the Kush mascara kit. I already have that stuff. So I really just wanted to try something different that I haven't tried, that I've been dying to try. So anyways, that is all I got to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to do like a quick haul of fun stuff that I'm very excited to try. I'll give you an update of how this goes for sure, especially face stuff. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully there will be new fashion IGTV video tomorrow. I really hope. It hasn't really been too long, I guess, if you look at it. It's not been too long, I guess. It feels like it is. But it's just like hard to find stuff, like a new place I want to do it at. And like it takes a long time for me, you know, usually sometimes it takes a while. But usually I'm like, okay, that's the outfit. You know what I mean? Can't tell. Is it recording? Shoot. I think it is. So anyways, that's all XOXO. Check also down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.